Buying a multi-thousand-dollar foldable phone like the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 is a massive flex, but setting it up with the wrong accessories can turn your dream device into a complete nightmare. A single drop without a hinge guard can snap your inner screen. A cheap charger can slowly degrade your battery, and standard phone mounts fail under that unique folding weight. Today, we are testing the best accessories available right now to protect, charge, and unlock the full potential of your Galaxy Z Flip 8. We put 9 essential accessories through hands-on testing, evaluating drop protection, charging speeds, screen clarity, and real-world multitasking capability. Whether you need complete physical defense, mobile workstation power, or reliable vehicle mounting, here is how these daily add-ons actually perform in real life. Starting at number 1, we have the Caka Case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and Z Flip 7. This is a durable, all-in-one protective cover engineered for users who want reliable everyday drop defense while preserving the sleek aesthetic of Samsung's foldable design. Built with a dual-layer TPU and polycarbonate construction, it effectively absorbs harsh impact shocks and protects your device from nasty scratches, scuffs, and daily wear without adding excessive pocket bulk. The integrated flexible hinge cover safeguards the phone's most vulnerable mechanical joint from dust ingress, grit, and accidental drops, while ensuring smooth opening and closing motions every single time. Caka also bundles a removable tempered glass screen protector in the box, giving your outer cover display immediate defense against key scratches without sacrificing touch sensitivity. The soft-touch matte finish delivers an ultra-comfortable, non-slip grip that repels greasy fingerprints and smudges throughout long workdays. Raised bezels around the camera module keep your lenses elevated off flat surfaces, while precision cutouts ensure seamless access to all side buttons and wireless charging pads. Sounds great, but here is the catch. Because of the dedicated hinge guard, it adds a tiny bit of extra width compared to paper-thin snap-on shells, making it slightly more noticeable in tight pockets. Still, for comprehensive drop defense and built-in screen glass, it is worth every penny. At number 2 sits the magnetic crystal clear case for the Galaxy Z Flip 8 and Z Flip 7. If you want to show off that gorgeous original Samsung factory colorway while keeping your investment protected, this sleek, transparent cover is designed specifically for you. It features an integrated outer screen protector that seals off the cover display from scratches and minor drops without introducing touch lag or reducing screen brightness. Crafted from premium anti-yellowing transparent materials, the hard polycarbonate backplate actively resists sunlight discoloration, allowing your phone to look pristine month after month. The standout feature here is the built-in MagSafe compatible magnetic ring, which locks firmly onto magnetic wireless chargers, car mounts, and snap-on wallets. Its shock-proof bumper frame combines rigid backplate armor with flexible, impact-absorbing TPU edges that cushion the phone during unexpected tumbles onto hard floors. Elevated edges surround the camera lenses to prevent micro-scratches when resting on granite countertops, while precise port cutouts maintain full accessibility. Sounds incredible, but here is the catch. Because it utilizes a clear, glossy finish, you will occasionally need to wipe away visible fingerprints and smudges to keep it looking crystal clean. Here is a mistake most users make, assuming clear daily cases provide heavy-duty military armor for rough construction sites. However, if you want slim MagSafe utility and crystal clear styling, this case is an absolute winner. Moving to number 3, we have the Milomdoi 9-in-1 Screen Protector Kit for the Galaxy Z Flip 8 and Z Flip 7. Foldable displays are notoriously fragile, and this massive protection suite gives you long-term peace of mind by covering every inch of your phone's delicate glass. The package includes 3 flexible TPU inner screen protectors, 3 9H tempered glass outer display covers, and 3 camera lens protectors for complete, multi-layer defense. The flexible TPU inner films are specifically engineered for folding glass, flexing smoothly over the central crease without bubbling, lifting, or peeling off over time. On the outside, the 9H tempered glass repels deep scratches and key scrapes while maintaining original HD display clarity and instant touch responsiveness. The dedicated camera lens shields protect the rear glass sensors from dust and tabletop scratches without distorting night photos or causing flash glare. Milomdoi even includes an alignment installation frame, making the application process completely foolproof, accurate, and bubble-free even for beginners. Sounds simple, but here is the catch. Installing the flexible inner film requires extreme patience, a dust-free room, and careful alignment to ensure zero trapped air bubbles over the central fold. Furthermore, that flexible inner TPU layer might need replacing after months of aggressive daily folding. Nevertheless, for complete full device coverage and incredible value, this kit is an absolute essential. Next up at number 4 is the OWKEY Translucent Matte Magnetic Case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. Combining a modern aesthetic with built-in magnetic charging convenience, this lightweight case is tailored for users who prefer a subtle, fingerprint-resistant style. It features a translucent frosted back panel that lets the original Samsung logo peek through while completely repelling oily smudges, lint, and scratches. The built-in magnetic ring provides a rock-solid connection with MagSafe chargers, magnetic desk stands, and power banks, allowing fast wireless power without taking off the case. Engineered with a durable shock-absorbing TPU bumper and reinforced corner air pockets, it absorbs impact forces from accidental tabletop drops, while keeping the profile slim and pocket-friendly. Raised lip edges around the camera housing and outer screen keep the glass raised off flat surfaces, while the grippy matte side rails prevent slipping out of sweaty hands. Precision cut openings guarantee smooth access to the side-mounted fingerprint sensor, USB-C port, and folding mechanism without hindering operation. Sounds great. But here is the catch. This case focuses on slim daily protection rather than extreme heavy-duty defense, meaning it won't survive high-altitude outdoor tumbles. Here is a common warning. Over time, translucent matte coatings can show light scuff marks if kept in pockets with sharp metal keys. But for a sleek, fingerprint-free feel and MagSafe practicality, it performs brilliantly. Coming in at number 5 is the 3-in-1 wireless charging station for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and older Z Flip models. Desk clutter from tangled cables is an absolute eyesore, and this compact folding dock cleans up your workspace or bedside table in seconds. It allows you to simultaneously charge your Galaxy Z Flip, your Galaxy Watch, and your Galaxy Buds on a single organized wireless pad. The space-saving foldable design collapses completely flat, making it an ideal travel companion that slips easily into a laptop sleeve or backpack. The primary smartphone charging stand features an adjustable hinge that supports both portrait and landscape orientation, letting you video chat or watch videos while powering up. Built-in multi-protection chips automatically regulate power flow, guarding your expensive Galaxy ecosystem against overheating, voltage spikes, and overcharging overnight. Non-slip rubber pads on the base and charging ledge keep your devices locked in place throughout the charging cycle. Sounds convenient, but here is the catch. Inductive wireless charging speeds run noticeably slower than plugging directly into a fast-charging wall brick, especially if you are using a thick armor case with metal plates. Additionally, you will need to supply your own fast-charging wall adapter to unlock maximum wireless speeds across all 3 coils. Still, for a sleek, cable-free nightstand setup, it is a fantastic investment. At number 6, we have the Geyo 3-in-1 Fast Wireless Charger for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, Flip 7, and Flip 6. Designed specifically for Samsung power users, this space-saving charging hub powers your phone, smartwatch, and wireless earbuds from one sleek central location. It features an angled charging pad optimized for the unique offset battery layout of foldable phones, preventing alignment drops and dead charging zones. You can position your Z Flip in portrait mode to monitor notifications or orient it horizontally to stream YouTube videos while charging. The dock utilizes intelligent heat dissipation vents and internal protection circuits to prevent thermal throttling, overcurrent spikes, and short circuits while you sleep. Its lightweight, foldable chassis folds flat for effortless storage in travel bags, making it perfect for hotel rooms or mobile office setups. The subtle LED indicator lights give you instant visual confirmation of your charging status without blinding you in a dark bedroom. Sounds like a dream, but here is the catch. Wireless charging is naturally less energy efficient than wired connections, meaning your phone will take longer to hit 100% battery from empty. Here is a warning before buying. Trying to charge your phone with an extra thick armor case containing metal kickstands will block the wireless signal completely. But for clean desk organization and effortless overnight charging, this dock performs exceptionally well. Rounding out number 7 is the 25W USB-C super fast charger with an extra long 10-foot cable. Samsung no longer includes power bricks in the box, and short charging cords force you to sit awkwardly next to wall outlets. This charging bundle includes a 25 USB power delivery wall adapter, along with an ultra-long 10-foot USB-C to USB-C cable for ultimate mobility. The adapter supports Samsung's super fast charging protocol, delivering rapid power to top up your Galaxy Z Flip 8 from 0 to over 50% in under half an hour. Built with smart power distribution hardware, the wall plug continuously monitors battery temperature to prevent overcharging, short-circuiting, and current overload. The durable 10-foot cable features reinforced strain relief collars that withstand thousands of bends without fraying or losing connection stability. This setup is perfect for lounging on the couch, working in bed, or traveling where hotel outlets are located far away from the nightstand. Sounds amazing, but here is the catch. The maximum 25-watt output is specifically tuned for smartphones and earbuds, meaning it lacks the power output required to fast-charge larger laptops or high-drain tablets. Furthermore, here is a mistake users make, expecting top charging speeds when using cheap, uncertified extension cords. But if you want fast, safe wired charging with incredible physical reach, this bundle is an unbelievable bargain. At number 8, we have the flagship Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Exceptional media consumption on the Z Flip 8's vibrant AMOLED screen deserves top-tier audio, and these flagship wireless earbuds deliver an unmatched sound experience. Equipped with AI-powered adaptive active noise cancellation, they dynamically adjust noise reduction levels based on your surrounding environment to block out transit rumble and chatter. The upgraded high-fidelity dual drivers produce deep, impactful bass alongside crystal-clear highs, while 360 audio with head tracking delivers an immersive spatial soundstage for movies. Deep Galaxy ecosystem integration enables seamless automatic switching between your Z Flip, Galaxy tablet, and Samsung laptop without touching Bluetooth menus. The ergonomic stem design offers a comfortable, pressure-free fit for extended listening sessions, backed by IP57 water resistance for sweat-heavy workouts. AI sound optimization actively analyzes your ear canal shape to tweak equalizer curves in real time, while multi-mic beamforming ensures pristine voice clarity on phone calls. Sounds incredible, but here is the catch. These earbuds carry a premium price tag, and many of their coolest smart features, like real-time translation and seamless auto switch, require a modern Samsung Galaxy phone to work. Furthermore, the high-gloss touch stems can feel slippery if your fingers are wet during workouts. Nevertheless, for Galaxy Z Flip 8 owners who want the absolute best audio integration, they are unbeatable. Finally, at number 9, we have the massive OHOVIV 50,000 mAh portable charger power bank. Foldable phones have smaller split batteries that can struggle to survive heavy camera usage and gaming sessions, making a high-capacity power bank an absolute lifesaver. Packing a colossal 50,000 mAh internal cell capacity, this portable powerhouse can recharge your Galaxy Z Flip 8 over 8 times before needing a plug itself. It supports 22.5W fast charging output, topping up compatible devices at high speeds through its multi-port setup. The standout convenience feature is its set of built-in charging cables, meaning you will never get stranded without a USB-C cord when running out the door. An integrated digital LED display shows your exact remaining battery percentage, while smart safety sensors prevent overheating, overcurrent, and short-circuit hazards. It is built for multi-device owners, frequent campers, long road trips, and emergency blackout kits where access to wall outlets is non-existent. Sounds like the ultimate backup, but here is the catch. Because of that massive 50,000 mAh battery cell, this power bank is heavy and bulky, weighing significantly more than a standard pocket battery. Here is a warning before buying. You cannot pack a battery of this massive capacity into commercial airline carry-on luggage due to strict watt-hour limits. But for off-grid power, camping trips, and endless backup energy, This unit is an absolute beast. Before dumping money into your cart, let's be totally honest about accessory buying. The market is flooded with cheap knockoff add-ons that promise the world but end up scratching your phone frame, failing after 2 weeks, or damaging your battery. With a high-end investment like the Galaxy Z Flip 8, you cannot take risks on unverified hardware. Out of the hundreds of products available right now, only a tiny handful deliver the precision build quality, safety certifications, and real-world durability needed to actually complement your daily foldable experience. Choosing the wrong setup will ruin your phone, but picking the right tools unlocks unbelievable daily performance. So, which of these accessories should actually earn a spot in your daily setup? If you want the best overall combination of defense and utility, the Caka Case is our top recommendation for keeping your phone safe without adding ridiculous weight. For those on a budget looking for full device coverage, the Milomdoi 9-in-1 Screen Protector Kit offers unreal glass defense and ease of installation. If audio quality and smart ecosystem features are your top priority, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro deliver an incredible listening experience paired with your foldable screen. And for power users who travel frequently, combining the 25W super-fast charger with the OHOVIV power bank guarantees you never run out of juice on the go. If you want to check current prices and availability for any of these accessories, I dropped direct affiliate links down in the description box below. If this guide helped you build your setup, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment which item you are grabbing.